تاسې له SBS پښتو سره یاست.
په انګلیسي ژبه پوهیدل او خبرې کولای شي په استرالیا کې ستاسو د ژوند کیفیت لوړ کړي. SBS د انګلیسي ژبې د زده کړې پودکاسټونه لري او په هغو کې ورځنی مهم اصطلاحات او داسې نور مهم مطالب تشریح کوي. دغه پودکاسټونو په اوریدلو سره خپل مهارتونه لوړ کړئ او ځان له ورځنیو اصطلاحاتو او د ژبې اړوند نورو مهمو مسایلو سره بلد کړئ. د SBS د انګلیسي ژبې د زده کړې یا Learn English وروستي پودکاسټ واورئ.
Nothing beats minestrina on a cold day. Learning English helps me to talk about my comfort food.
SBS acknowledges the traditional custodians of country and their connections and continuous care for the skies, lands and waterways throughout Australia.
When I was young, my family ran a noodle restaurant. I remember every day in winter we'd enjoy a hot bowl of noodles together. So even now, when the nights get colder, I find myself really craving a warm bowl of udon. Hi, I'm Kate. And in this episode, we're practicing everyday English you can use when talking about winter comfort food. Comfort food is the kind of food that makes you feel warm, relaxed, and happy. These are the meals we often enjoy in cold weather or when we need a little extra comfort. Here come Salon and Claire. They've just stepped inside from the cold, shaking off the chill and thinking about something warm to eat. Let's join them.
Wow, it's freezing today. I need something to warm me up.
I know, right? I could really go some hot soup right now.
Same here. I made a big batch last night. It really hits the spot.
That sounds perfect. Nothing beats a hot meal when you're this cold.
Exactly. I'm all about comfort food in winter. I'll heat some up now.
What do you feel like eating when it gets cold? Do you go for a hot soup or something slow-cooked and hearty? If your food is hearty, it's warm, filling, and satisfying. Let's look at some other phrases we can use when talking about winter and food. Alan first said,
Wow, it's freezing today. I need something to warm me up.
It's freezing today. If something is freezing, it's very cold. Of course, we also use the word freezer for the coldest part of the fridge, but hopefully you're not that cold right now. Freezing technically means when something is so cold that it turns hard, like when water turns to ice. You can use the word freezing to describe the weather or how you feel. For example,
I need a jacket. It's freezing outside.
Or,
My hands are freezing.
So, whenever you feel very cold, you can say it's freezing. Alan also said,
I need something to warm me up.
If something warms you up, it makes your body feel warmer. We often use this phrase when talking about food or drinks. What warms you up? For me, whenever I'm cold, a cup of tea warms me up. You can also say,
I need something hot to take the edge off.
To take the edge off means to make something less strong or less uncomfortable. In this case, Claire wants something warm so she doesn't feel cold. But you can use this phrase in many other situations as well. For example,
I went for a walk to take the edge off my stress.
Here, Alan is going for a walk to make him feel a little less stressed. Next, Claire said,
I could really go some hot soup right now.
If you say, I could really go something, you really want it at that moment. It's a very common and natural way to talk about cravings. Cravings are a strong feelings of wanting something specific, usually food or drink. You can say that you have a craving for something when you have a strong desire for it. For example,
I could really go something spicy. I've been craving tom yum soup for days.
Alan then said he made soup last night, but he used a different phrase. He said,
I made a big batch last night.
a big batch is a large amount of food like soup or stew, usually to share or to eat later as well. For example, when Claire cooks her family's favourite dish,
I always make a big batch of rice to go with the curry.
Alan also said,
It really hits the spot.
if something hits the spot, it is exactly what you want or need in the moment. For example,
Lentil soup with bread really hits the spot after a long day.
so when something feels just right, you can say that it hits the spot. Let's go back to our dialogue.
Nothing beats a hot meal when you're this cold.
If you say nothing beats something, it's the best and nothing is better than it. For example,
Nothing beats a home-cooked meal.
you can use this phrase to talk about your favorite things. For example,
Nothing beats a hot bath on a cold day.
finally, Alan said,
I'm all about comfort food in winter.
if you are all about something, it means you really like it or it's super important to you. For example, I'm all about quick and easy dinners because I don't like spending a lot of time in the kitchen. I think we've covered some great phrases today. And while you listen to the dialogue once more, I'll go grab a cup of tea that will warm me up from the inside. Then we'll practice.
Wow, it's freezing today. I need something to warm me up.
I know, right? I could really go some hot soup right now.
Same here. I made a big batch last night. It really hits the spot.
That sounds perfect. Nothing beats a hot meal when you're this cold.
Exactly. I'm all about comfort food in winter. I'll heat some up now.
It's time to practice. See if you remember the meaning before hearing the answer. What is comfort food?
Comfort food is the kind of food that makes you feel warm, relaxed and happy.
If something takes the edge off, it.
If something takes the edge off, it makes something less strong or more comfortable.
Now, let's practice our speaking skills. Just listen and repeat.
I need something to warm me up.
I've been craving tom yum soup for days.
I'm all about comfort food in winter.
Nothing beats a home-cooked meal.
If you want to practice more, press play on our bonus episodes. They're designed to give you extra speaking practice. You can also follow us for more language learning tips on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Just search for SBS Learn English. And don't forget our learning notes at sbs.com.au/learnenglish. I'm Kate, and thanks for learning how to talk about winter comfort food with me.
SBS پښتو په فیسبوک کې تعقیب کړئ، مطالب یې خوښ کړئ، نظر ورکړئ او له نورو سره یې شریک کړئ.